Hello and welcome to this lesson. This is a free speaking, listening, and pronunciation test you can take on ELLLO. So, this is for beginner students. This is A1 beginner pronunciation test. My name is Todd. I am an English teacher and also I am the creator of ELLLO. I'm from America, but I teach in Japan. So, my good friend Paul Rain created this activity on Zengengo, and this is a good test for your English listening, speaking, and pronunciation. So, to do this activity, you play the audio, listen, and then repeat what you hear. Then the computer will check and let you know, is your speaking correct or is it a little different than the audio? So it's very easy. First, let's listen to the audio.
I like your shoes. Are they new?
I like your shoes. Are they new? So we hear the audio, then we repeat what we heard. So now I repeat the sentence. One more time, I can listen.
I like your shoes. Are they new?
I like your shoes. Are they new? I click stop. And boom, I have my score. I like your shoes. Are they new? Ah, yay, I was correct. Now, when you click the mic, maybe the first time you must allow the computer to use your mic. So maybe the computer will ask you to use your mic. Okay, now I finished. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sentences to practice. We did number 1. Now let's do number 2.
Yes, they are.
Yes, they are. Next.
Are they expensive?
So now I can practice intonation. Are they expensive? Are they expensive? Everything is good. So my speech is correct.
No, they are very cheap.
No, they are very cheap. Woo.
Are they comfortable?
Are they comfortable? Now, here we have an interesting word, comfortable. When we say it quickly, comfortable, comfortable, comfortable. So, this lesson is good pronunciation training. Sometimes students read a word and they do not say the word correctly. Maybe a student will read this word and say, comfortable, comfortable. That's okay. That's okay. But it's better to hear it and repeat it. So I can play the audio again and again.
Are they comfortable?
Are they comfortable? Okay, next.
Yes, they are very comfortable.
Yes, they are very comfortable. And then I go next.
Are they from the discount shoe shop?
Are they from the discount shoe shop? Now, here we have a more difficult word, discount shoe shop. In the lessons, sometimes we have some words that are new or more difficult to do listening training. Now, maybe you are thinking, what happens if you're wrong? On the last one, this time I will say it incorrectly.
Yes. How did you guess?
Yes. How come guess low guess? So notice the computer says, you didn't say it correctly. So this was how did you? And it was actually spoken very quickly. How did you? How did you?
Yes. How did you guess?
How did you guess? How did you guess? How did you? Quickly, how did you? So if you say the word naturally, the computer still knows it's correct. Watch. Yes. How did you guess? Now the computer will say, you got it right. Everything is okay. When you finish, you can submit your score. Click submit and see your score, your pronunciation, speaking, and listening score. So I got 100%. Woo! Woo! I'm an English teacher. I need 100%. Now it's your turn. You can try. Also, one favor, when you finish, I have a survey. Please complete the survey and tell me if you like this activity. If you like this activity, I can do it more on ELLLO, and we have a free course. So at the bottom, you can sign up for a free course. It is free, 100% free. You have to create an account, but it's 100% free. And we have lessons like this in the free course. And one more thing. Maybe this is too easy for you. You can try the B1 pronunciation test and the C1 pronunciation test. That's much more difficult. Also, we will have more free tests coming soon. We will have a test for vocabulary, for grammar, for listening, yay, ELLLO, listening, and speaking. Speaking is coming next on April 4th. And that's it. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Please try it yourself and fill out the survey. Thank you for watching.